So today I'm going to be making egg muffins or mini quiche or whatever you'd like to call them. Turn the oven on at 350. Let that heat up. So for this recipe, you'll need 1 onion, and I usually throw in some lemon juice to help cut down on the acidity of the onions. Got 3 large eggs, and I usually save the shells so that way I've got some tomatoes growing and I can grind them up and put them into my tomatoes, and they'll help give my tomatoes some nutrients. I add some heavy whipping cream and some whole milk, but you can use 2% or whatever milk you have at the house. So I just add a splash of both of those just to give the eggs some more airiness. And just whip it up. And whip it until it's all smooth and even and good looking color. Okay. So I add a tablespoon of parsley. And then a half teaspoon of pepper. Okay. And then I've got some salt, but we want to hold off on the salt. Mix it all in. Get it all up in there. Looking nice. And we want to add our onions. Get that mixed all up in there. Cheese, and we'll save a little bit to sprinkle on top. It's all up in there, nice and mixed up. Grab our egg mixture, put it in the muffin pan. Okay. So this is what they look like after they've been emptied into the muffin pan. If you find that your mixture's a little bit too thick, you can add some more eggs. Little bit of cheese and just sprinkle each one with some cheese nicely. And if you've got green onions or anything else you want to dress this with, you can. Just throw it on. There we go. All right, we're gonna open up the oven and throw in our man. Okay, we're gonna let them bake. Now halfway through, I'd say bake it for 8 minutes, and halfway through, gonna grab some salt and put some salt in them. I'm gonna grab some salt and just throw some salt on each of them. And here's the finished product.
Those are good, Mommy.
Is it good? So there you have it. Our expert judge weighed in, and it is good.